Welcome to Pure Chart Trading. On social media, you'll find tons of scammers promising a 90% win rate with their paid signals. They promise to reveal some trading secret and show you how to start making thousands of dollars a week in the markets. If these people are making thousands of dollars in the markets, why are they trying to sell you paid signals or promising to teach you the holy grail when they don't even need to? Why would anyone sell you something if they don't need your money at all? I'm going to show you how real trading works, and I'll also show you the bad trades, not just the ones meant to blow you away. Let's take a look at the first trade example. Now I have to wait for a structure break. In my strategy, that's the first step that determines the direction I'll want to trade. Just so I don't forget, my videos drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss out on any new content. Now you can see that the price made a nice impulsive move and also created a structure break. At this point, I can mark everything out and start looking for my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool. If I find it and the price comes back for a retest, I want to see a clear and clean confirmation. If I see it, I'm definitely jumping into the trade. Now watch closely how I find my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool. Do you know why I haven't entered the trade yet? Because the price didn't even touch my golden zone, even though it was just a tiny bit away. I never open a trade randomly. Now I've finally found what I look for in every single chart, and it doesn't matter what time frame you use, it works exactly the same way. The price just touched my golden zone and bounced off right away. As soon as that nice red candle closed, I entered the trade. I'm setting a 1% risk and a 2% reward. In just a moment, we'll find out the outcome of this first trade in today's video. While we wait, feel free to ask me something in the comments. I read all the comments, so if yours catches my eye, I'll definitely reply. Would you like to trade like this too? If you want to see a 1-hour video where I teach you the entire strategy and break down every single detail, leave a comment letting me know you're interested. I hit a 2% profit on the first trade of today's video, and I have 3 more trade examples ready for you. As you can see, you don't need any special indicators or paid signals that won't work and will end up teaching you nothing. You need to learn how to trade on your own and not rely on someone else's signals. Let's take a look at the next example. As you already know from my videos, you know exactly that right now I'm waiting for a clear price movement that will also create a structure break. You have to repeat the exact same process over and over again, and most importantly, change nothing even if you're currently on a long losing streak. It's always possible that you could have 5 losses in a row, but you just can't panic so you don't start making unnecessary mistakes. We found a nice movement and a structure break, so we can mark everything out as always and start looking for our golden zone using the Fibonacci tool. Now all that's left is to wait for the price to return to our golden zone, and we also want to see a clean confirmation. If that happens, I'll enter the trade. The price came back, and I got a clear confirmation since the price just wicked into my golden zone and didn't close a single candle body inside the zone. I'm setting a 1% risk and a 2% reward, and I'll let the trade run. If the price hits at least 75% of my TP, I'll move my SL to break even. If that doesn't happen, I'm keeping the trade open, and under no circumstances will I close it manually, no matter what happens. If you want to support me and see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to leave a like. It will help my channel out, and it really means a lot to me. If this video helps even just one of you, I'll be proud, and I'll know that making these videos is totally worth it. Would you be upset if this happened to you? Losing in trading is completely normal and is just as much a part of the game as winning. My strategy has a long-term win rate of 55% to 65% over large series of trades. That means if you take 1,000 trades with my strategy, there's a high probability you'll have roughly 600 good ones and 400 bad ones. So why would you be upset over just a single loss? You always have to look at the big picture. That's what separates the bad traders from the good ones. I have 2 more examples ready, so let's dive into them and I'll wrap it all up at the end of the video. Once again, I have to wait for a clear move that creates a structure break. You might find my video boring, but there's a reason for it. This channel is focused on education and I want to teach you this perfectly. If I start adding flashy things and nonsense that doesn't belong here, it's going to distract you and you won't learn a single thing. And that's exactly why I repeat everything 100 times and change nothing, so you can finally learn it. One last thing, trading is boring. This isn't a casino. While I was talking, I found a clear move and a structure break, and now I can start looking for my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool. If I find it, I need to see the price return to my zone and also a clean confirmation. This is the exact confirmation I always look for. The golden zone held the price like a brick wall, the price bounced off, and for me that's a clear signal to jump into the trade. As always, I'm setting a 1% risk and a 2% reward, and I'll let the trade run. If you've already watched any of my videos and learned something, you know exactly what rule my strategy has for moving the SL to break even. What outcome would you predict for this setup? You can watch my videos regularly every week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't miss out. The market isn't perfect, and even when everything looks like it's going your way, the market reversed and had a completely different plan for my setup. As I mentioned a moment ago, you have to look at trading from a big picture perspective, not just based on 1 or 2 individual trades. Once you understand this, I believe you'll finally start becoming a profitable trader and won't let yourself get thrown off by days when things just don't go your way. You'll see losing trades on my channel too, because this is how real trading works. I have one last trade example ready, so I'm going to show it to you, and we'll add it all up at the end of the video, so watch until the very end and drop a like. Even for this final example, I have to wait for a nice price movement, and I want to see a structure break as well. Until then, I'm just watching what the market is doing, and if I see exactly what I'm currently waiting for, I know precisely how my process will continue. Now I see a clear market structure break, so I'll mark it out, and it's also time to start looking for my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool. Are you watching how precisely I use my Fibonacci tool? I found the golden zone, the price came back for a retest, and I got a clean confirmation. For me, this is a strong signal to jump into the trade and not let it slip away. As always, I'm setting a 1% risk and a 2% reward. I don't recommend changing your risk management because if you target a higher RR, your overall win rate will drop dramatically, and trust me, that is a psychological highway to hell. Thanks to this final trade, today's video ends in profit. If you want to see more videos like this, you can find them on my channel. I believe that through videos like these, you can learn how to trade very quickly and easily. Let's break down how today's video ended. 2 trades hit take profit and 2 trades hit stop loss, which means that at the end of the day, we are up 2% on our capital. If you want me to create a 1-hour video for you where I teach you everything about this strategy in great detail, leave a comment down below letting me know you're interested. Subscribe.